Hi, my name is Kat Kerr and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, if you're new here, this video is going to tell you a little bit about me, what I do on this channel, and what I plan to offer in the future. Now, if you're not familiar with my work, I'm a full-time artist and maker living in Central Florida. I teach, design products, work with multiple companies in the arts industry, and above all, I believe that anything is possible if you dream, do, and repeat. Now, I never met a medium I didn't like. I love offering tutorials on art journaling, mixed media jewelry, assemblage, monoprinting, and more. Now, you're also going to find playlists on some of my favorite art supplies, like foam stamps, stencils, creative art textures, alcohol inks, resin, watercolor, white craft plastic, metal, and so much more. Now, 3 things you may not know about me. I'm also the mama to 3 fur babies, Shane, Mallow, and Tiny. I love collecting mugs from family trips. And I'm completely obsessed with theme parks. Now in 2020, I'll be continuing with the step-by-step tutorials as well as the vlog and the product assessment videos. But I also have some new ideas heading your way. Now, the first new playlist for 2020 is going to be about metalworking, specifically soldering, both iron soldering and torch soldering. Now, this is going to be geared towards the beginner, so I'm not going to be making complete projects. I really just wanted to give tips and ideas for the person that's thinking about trying these tools, how to set up your workstation, how to hold your tools, basic things to get you started so that you can decide if this is something you want to try. Now, something else I have lined up for 2020 is a new collaborative series with other creatives. Now, I am really looking forward to this. One question, and then to reach out to other creatives, have them answer the question on film, and then I'll get all of that back and put it together in a video for you to watch. Things like what inspires you, how do you balance life, art, and play, and what keeps you going on this creative journey. Now, the goal of this series is to gain some insight and to share that insight with other creatives on the path. Now, I think it's so important that we acknowledge that we're all on the same path, just at different stages, but it's important that we help each other out along the way. Now, the last idea for 2020 is I'm going to be starting a playlist on KineMaster. Now, KineMaster is a video editing app that I use for all of my videos, and I've had quite a few questions on it. So it's just going to be a tips and tricks playlist on how I use it, and hopefully it will help you if it's something that you're thinking about using for your videos. So that's it, a little introduction about me and this channel and what I plan to do in the future. So if you watch my videos and you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And be sure to click that bell notification button so that you can be the first to know when I have something new.
Yeah, give the obby. Put your head in like regular.
Gosh, it just got dark in here all of a sudden. But yeah, I love it all, and that's something that you're going to find on my channel. It's so, where did the sun go? What happened? Sorry, totally distracted. This is what happens, right? You see, please subscribe. That's my little fur babies. Yeah, just ignore them. Okay. And that's it for me. Fudge. What the hell was I saying?